3. Go for it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now backwards. Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A.
Woo! You want to count to 20 in Spanish too?